These kitchen gadgets are so smart, they'll completely change how you cook. These 27 Amazon must-haves are taking over 2026, and gadget number 4 is on another level. Cook more with less hassle using the Bella electric skillet. This 12x12-inch copper pan features a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup, a glass lid for perfect monitoring, and cool touch handles for safe use. With a removable heating probe and dishwasher-safe design, it's your go-to for quick, delicious meals every day. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Bring the fun of Korean barbecue home with the Techwood Raclette Grill. Featuring a removable 2-in-1 non-stick grill plate, 8 cheese melt pans, and 1500 W fast heating, it's perfect for grilling meats, veggies, and melting cheese. Ideal for parties and family gatherings. Interactive, delicious, and easy to use. Toast your favorites perfectly every time with this 4-slice toaster. Featuring 1.5-inch wide slots, 6 browning levels, and settings for 6 bread types. With touchscreen controls, digital timer, memory, defrost, and reheat functions, it's smart, fast, and convenient for any breakfast. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Meet the KATCHENDO Glass Sugar Dispenser, a stylish and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a side pour spout for smooth, mess-free pouring and a built-in lid that helps slow down moisture. With easy-to-read measuring marks and a BPA-free design, bake fresh bread at home with the Naretva 20-in-1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low-noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Cook big meals with ease using the Sun Vivi Roaster Oven. This 26-quart roaster handles up to a 30 pounds turkey and features a viewing lid for easy monitoring. With defrost and warm functions, plus a removable pan and rack, it's perfect for delicious, hassle-free cooking every time. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulyalai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Make perfect eggs every time with the Techa Frittata and Omelette Pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea, quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Keep your homemade goods fresh with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Fully automatic and compatible with all regular and wide-mouth mason jars, it seals jars airtight to preserve canned foods, sauces, and pantry staples. Sleek black design makes it easy, efficient, and essential for every kitchen. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Mix, whip, and knead with ease using the Bella 3.5 QT handstand mixer. This 2-in-1 design works as a stand or handheld mixer, powered by a 200W motor. Includes a bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beaters, perfect for effortless baking every time. Cook with clarity using this 1.5L borosilicate glass cooking pot. Perfect for pasta, noodles, soup, or milk. It lets you watch your food as it cooks. Heat-resistant and stovetop safe. It includes a lid and brush for easy use and cleaning. Simple, stylish, and practical for everyday cooking. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible. It holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Cook anywhere with the Techwood 1800W portable hot plate. Featuring dual burners, adjustable temperature, and sturdy handles, it fits a 7.5-inch cooktop for home, RV, or camping. Compatible with all cookware. This silver countertop stove delivers powerful, convenient, and versatile cooking wherever you need it. Keep your kitchen sink organized with the smiley face sponge holder. This stainless steel over-faucet caddy holds sponges neatly while the quick-dry stone mat keeps them clean and dry. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, perfect for a clutter-free kitchen. Get perfect results in seconds with the ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer. It delivers ultra-fast 0.5-second readings with a 180 degrees rotating display for easy viewing. Waterproof, durable, and smart with auto wake and sleep. It's perfect for grilling, frying, barbecue, and everyday cooking precision. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Make perfect rotis in seconds with the Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Serve in style with this extra-large glass salad bowl set. Featuring a durable glass bowl, acacia wood base, and matching serving utensils, it's perfect for parties and family meals. Elegant, spacious, and practical, an ideal centerpiece for any kitchen or dining table. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bear Food Processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Pour batter with precision using the 800 milliliters stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with this rice airtight storage container. Designed to hold 3 to 5 pounds of rice, cereal, or dry foods, it features an airtight seal to lock in freshness and a built-in measuring cup for easy pouring. Made from BPA-free clear plastic, it's perfect for storing sugar, flour, or even pet food with convenience and style. Cook perfect baked potatoes in minutes with the Yummy-Can Potato Microwave Cooker. As seen on TV, it steams spuds to tender, fluffy perfection right in your microwave. Dishwasher safe, clear design makes cooking simple, quick, and mess-free. Ideal for holidays, gifts, or everyday meals. Pour and measure with precision using the 250 milliliters per 8.5 ounces measuring cup espresso shot glass. Featuring double spouts and a stylish wood handle, this clear glass cup is perfect for espresso, milk, and coffee prep. Ideal for baristas and home coffee lovers alike. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2 QD electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color collapsible batter bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks, your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack Pizza Plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. It easily makes soft or hard-boiled eggs, onsen tamago, tea eggs, custard, and even yogurt. Designed with BPA-free stainless steel and automatic shutoff for safe cooking, this compact cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or quick keto-friendly meals. Cook with style using this 4L glass cooking pot with a heart-shaped lid. Heat-resistant and highly efficient, it ensures even cooking while reducing energy use. Safe for oven, gas, and electric stoves. Perfect for soups, pasta, and more, with easy dishwasher cleanup. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Take your cocktails to the next level with the Cocktail Bubble Smoke Gun Kit, Aroma Blaster 2. Featuring 5 flavor aroma pods and edible bubbles, It creates a stunning visual and aromatic experience for drinks. Perfect for bars, parties, or home use, and an ideal gift for any cocktail lover. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating two-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Keep your pantry neat with the Utopia Shelf Bin Packet Organizer. This 4-tier, stair-step bin holds tea bags, medicine, and more, keeping items visible and accessible. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic, perfect for kitchen cabinets and organized storage. Upgrade your kitchen in seconds with this 2-pack expandable pull-out cabinet organizer. Designed for 21-inch deep cabinets, it features smooth triple-slide rails for effortless access. The adjustable width fits cabinets from 12 to 20.4 inches, while the raised pad ensures stability, even in framed cabinets. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and enjoy a clutter-free space. Smart storage made simple. Elevate your drinks and dishes with the Cocktail Smoker Kit, Burner Pro Extended 12-piece set. This kit includes smoke infuser, accessories, and wood chips to add rich, aromatic cold smoke to cocktails, whiskey, or food. Perfect as a gift for men or anyone who loves gourmet flavors at home. Maximize your microwave space with the Double Wave Mini Plate Stacker. This 2-tier stand lets you heat 2 plates at once, cutting time by up to 1.5x. Made from BPA-free, heat-safe material, it's perfect for quick, efficient, and mess-free meal prep. Elevate your kitchen with the FYGO Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser Set. Each 350 milliliters glass bottle comes with a pourer and funnel for precise, mess-free pouring. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or dressings, this stylish 2-piece set combines functionality and elegance for everyday cooking and serving. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep.